But there were some limitations on that airplane, and as we see this one take off, let's watch this, Danny. Tell them about the takeoff.
Now, this will be a tactical takeoff. Simulation we're surrounded by hostile forces. C-17 gets to airport, gets a certain speed, then you'll see it pitch way up to about 20 to 22 or more degrees. Much more than any airliner you'll fly on. They're gaining altitude to get out of rifle range from a hostile area outside of their airport. Because, Rob, one lone bullet from an enemy rifle can ruin. You don't have a wide enough runway to turn around. What if you don't have a parallel taxiway?
I think we're going to see a little bit of a demonstration of that as well. Watch carefully. As soon as the aircraft touches down, panels on the nacelles will open up and they will turn the thrust reversers on. From the 437th Airlift Wing at Charleston Air Force Base, South Carolina, touching down, watch for the panels. There are, and this is about as much noise as this airplane is ever going to make.
Right on the center line as best as possible. That's why she keeps the airplane from going off on the side. Go back, unload your cargo for troops, reload without shutting down, and you're on your way out of hostile territory. Now, Rob, what I wanted to mention today is, according to the facts on this airplane, C-17,